Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I want to show you a trade I took on this particular pair crash 600 index, and it gave me some very good profit. With a very simple approach, I was able to identify that the market was actually going to go in that direction, and I made that profit. So I just want to watch this video to the end so you can learn and also replicate what you're going to see in this video today. All right, this is one of the recent pairs in deriv on the river, and you can see it's been here since August 2024. You can see this August 2024, and this we are on the weekly time frame. You can see the market has been creating higher highs and higher lows. You've been buying. The highs and the higher lows will be clearly seen when you go to lower time frames. All right, like from the daily time frame, you will see the higher highs and the higher lows clearly, even more better on the 4 hourly time frame. All right, so you can see the market has been creating these highs, then it bought up to this level and nicely sold to where it currently is. As you can see, the market has been rejecting this zone. The market has been rejecting this particular zone right here, but we would want to consider the market breaking out of this zone first before we think the market will actually reduce sell. You want to see an actual breakout of this from this zone. The market can break through this zone and then close below it. We will expect the market to actually continue with the sales. All right, but currently there's a little zone right here. That's where the market is actually buying. Is rejecting this zone. It's been rejecting this zone for the past how many weeks? About 4 weeks now. All right, this is the first week, second, third, and fourth. Though previously there was a rejection here. All right, so now if we go down to the daily time frame, let's go to the daily time frame and see what we have. On the daily time frame, you can see that the market actually created you can see the higher highs and the higher lows. Then this is the zone I talked about, that the market, if it can nicely break below this zone, then we are going to experience some good sales. We are going to experience some good sales. All right, but although you can also see here that what we have on this chart overall on the daily time frame is a pattern that will indicate the market will most likely be selling be selling. All right, there's a very high chance it's going to be breaking this zone and then to continue selling, because it's been buying for the past how many months now, since the inception of the pair. All right, so this structure we are having here, you can see the first thing we have here, the structure we have actually is this head and shoulders pattern. Then I'll see this as our left shoulder. This acts as the head, while this is only the right shoulder. Right, that's the right shoulder. All right, so and right here, meaning if this is the right shoulder, then we will expect we will believe this should be the neckline. One moment. All right, so we see this to be the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. Meaning if the market sells to this zone, then breaks and closes below it, we are expecting more sales. All right, then but at this point we also have something that looks like a head and shoulders pattern. The right shoulder also gives us something that looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Look at it closely. All right, you can see this is the left shoulder here. This is actually the head, and this is the right shoulder too. So meaning there is a zone right here, and if the market is able to break below this zone here, you will be seeing the sales now targeting this particular zone. All right, and if you extend this rectangle, you'll see it matches with where market has been buying previously. You can see market bought here in January, market also bought here in November 2024. All right, this is January 2025, this is February 2025. So this is actually a strong zone in the market too. So if the market can go below this zone, we will see more sales, and the target will be here. Then after here, if it's able to break below this zone, we'll be seeing some massive sales. All right, after maybe a pullback or a retest, whatever, but we'll be seeing some massive sales. The market closes below this zone, especially on the daily time frame. All right, then now the trade I took was actually on the 4 hourly time frame. So I will have to go to the 4 hourly time frame to show you where I took the trade. It was, I think it was around somewhere here. Let me go down to the 4 hourly time frame. I took the trade about 2 days ago. Let me see. On the 4 hourly time frame. Okay, now you can see a structure here, guys. This structure right here, you can see we have an impulsive sales. Then the market started creating higher highs and higher lows. The higher high, higher low, higher high is a higher low. All right, so now I found the market about this point. After this second bearish candlestick, then the market was it was forming this bullish candlestick right here. So all I had to do was to because I like putting these trend lines to, it also makes you see the chart clear and more clearer than just do using it. Though I can use it without drawing the lines, but the lines makes it even more easier. All right, so I saw this structure here, and if you remember the continuation strategy, after you see an impulsive sales like this, then the market creates higher highs and higher lows. We expect the market to break to the downside, you understand, then continue with the sales. All right, so since I found the market at this point, so I looked at where the market hit. On this, it was actually on a trend line. You can see the market actually bounced on a trend line. The market actually bounced on a trend line. We have a first touch here, this is a second touch, and this is a third touch. And looking horizontally, there is a zone here. This is actually I think this is a demand zone, or I don't know, this is another block or a demand zone. So the market got to this place, but I know the market must is a zone, is where the market should react to, change direction, maybe temporarily. So I marked this zone since I noticed it, and then since I saw that the market already rejected this zone on this 4-hourly candlestick, then the current candlestick, which is bullish, was already forming. So that's where I tried to get my opportunity, the opportunity to enter the trade. So I think I entered the trade somewhere around here with the loss of 0.2. Then the market bought up to here. I closed with a profit of about $40 per position. All right, I closed with a profit about 40 USD per position, open about 5 positions. So very easily I was able to make this kind of profit just by buying, because I knew the market was going to reverse. Apart from this market getting to this zone here, my engulfing candlestick strategy entry is also what I use to confirm, and I believe my students any of my students who is watching this video will understand why I actually took the trade, the engulfing candlestick setup right here at this point. So you can see the market bought and it got to this zone. Now I actually set my stop loss, sorry, my TP, and then I left. Then had it been I was on the chart to notice what happened here, I would have taken some sales, because we are expecting the market to sell. All right, based on this structure, then the market has gotten to a sell zone. Then we would have, you can see this is actually a key level, so we would have taken all these sales and would have made so much profit. This pair is a very volatile one, so if you get a good entry for this pair, even with the minimum lot size, you'll be making so much profit, guys. You're making so much profit. So it's very simple. So what do I want you to learn from this particular video? Once you see the market creating higher highs and higher lows, you can easily place your trend lines to guide the movement. Then also try to see if you can locate another block or a demand zone, then wait for the market to pull back to that zone. Then if you understand the continuation strategy, the engulfing candlestick strategy, it's a plus. In fact, it gives you more confidence in actually entering the trade. Then you take your trade, you can see nice profit up to this level, and then you are out of the market, guys. It's very simple. It's very, very simple, guys. You can do this on any kind of pair. It works on boom and crash, volatility pace, currency pace. It all works. All right, so you just keep practicing these things, and you see you'll master it. Now the problem you will have, some of you, is that you just keep on jumping from one strategy to another. You keep on watching so many videos on YouTube, and that for that reason you cannot stay focused on a single strategy. And secondly, you have so many problems to solve with money. When you have so many problems to solve with money, trust me, trading is not a guarantee. Trading is not even for you at that point. Try to solve your financial problems first before coming to learn how to trade, because at that point you'll be able to focus. You're able to focus to learn how to trade properly. Else you'll be looking for some very quick ways to make profit from trading, and you keep on losing more money while trying to make the little that while trying to make the money. All right, you'll be losing the more. So there are so many things that are involved in becoming a successful trader, and maybe in the next video I might talk about them. All right, meanwhile, just learn from what you've watched in this video today, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that yet. There's a link in the description if you want to enroll in a private mentorship with me. Then you get the link will take to my Telegram channel. From there you can reach out to me, because you'll find my direct contact there. Then like this video, share it in the comment section. We will see you in our next video. Stay blessed and peace out.